Hello and welcome to this chilling episode of Boardwipe Gaming. Today we deliver a tutorial on the winter bases. As we are starting the second half of the first season, we have something special for your miniatures. And it will require several things, starting with the obvious. The paints we'll be using today are Rhinox hide, Stirland Battlemire, Valhallan blizzard, Mournfang brown, Stormvermin fur, Corax white, Nightlord's blue, and Thunderhawk blue. We'll also use additional items which are Vallejo water texture, winter wild tuft from Vallejo, and its packaging, and the big surprise here, Cork. We'll also require some glue. So, we have them all here. Let's start. We'll start by preparing our cork to imitate a rock on the base. We'll now apply the glue to the base and add the cork on it. We will start by applying the video editor nightmare, that is Rhinox hide, to the base. We'll now be applying Stirland Battlemire to the base, leaving a space for a pond, which will contain our ice. Now I will be applying Stormvermin Fur to the rock on the base. Now I'll be applying a mix of 1:1 of Corax white and Stormvermin fur to highlight the rock. Heavy dry brush of Corax white to finish the rock. We'll now apply Nightlord's blue to the place where the pond will be. We'll now apply a mix of Thunderhawk blue and Nightlord's blue 1:1 to the middle of the pond. Following up with Thunderhawk blue to the middle again. Finishing up with Corax white and Thunderhawk blue mix 1:1 in the middle. Next is a dry brush of Mournfang brown onto the Stirland Battlemire. Now apply a small drop of Vallejo water texture onto the pond. Now, on the fun part. We'll be using our plastic package from the winter wild tuft to create ice on the pond by cutting them into small pieces and attaching them to the water. You don't need to glue them. Just apply them to the water pond when the water texture isn't dry yet. I'll be adding now the winter wild tuft to the base. Last but not least, our snow. And Valhallan blizzard will do most of the job here. Apply it as much as you want. There we have it. The winter base is ready. Please like, share and subscribe as this helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because the next episode is where it's going to get hot. See ya!